is Valentina Torres. My course is Decimo. Vocabulary. Vocabulary is go to biking, go a cars, go on bowling, go a mountain biking, go a rafting, go a safari. Is sailing, go to camper, go to climbing. Oh, a participle in sport. In participle in sport is to bowling. Participle is going sailing. Use using some kind transportation is safari or never night. With already, just, and yet. How we show what is just already. Let's go into yet. Yet is just the present perfect means of waiting to know. We use to the emphasis that expect something to happen soon. Yet is connect. Is all used in negative of the end of the sentences or questions. Sit. Agent, have you finished your homework yet? I finished it yet. I love after dinner. Where's Sam? He's of some hour. Owing the correct in the answer is he has arrived yet. Just when you use which the present means a short time before, just come between two auxiliary verbs have and has and past participle. Example: I just seen Susan come out the cinema. Mike just called. Can you ring him back, please? You have just my open. What is Jesus and better? Or is already. Already used perfect means before. Now we use or implies that something's happening before something else and earlier that expresses already can come between to eliciting or mean verb or meet the end of the close edge. Egypt. I already spent my salary and 2 weekends before party. He wanted to see shoulder wrist, but we already sit it there and it ready. Thank you.